Hello, my name is Afzal and welcome to this System.io tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a course in System.io. So if you haven't already signed up for System.io, you can go to the first link in the description and sign up for absolutely free so that you can create your first ever digital course for absolutely free. Now I already have an account, so I will sign in from here. So here, as you can see, I am inside my dashboard. This is my test account. So as you can see, a menu option is given here. So inside this, I will go to this product sales options, and inside this I will go to courses to build a new course. So to add a new course, to build a new course, you're going to click on this add a new course button. So as you can see from here, we can add all the details related to our course. From here we can give this course a name. I will give it as YouTube Wealth because I want to build a course related to YouTube. I want to show my students how to build a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, and how to scale it as a business. Now from here you can add a description for your course if you want. From here you can select a language. I will keep it to English only. And from here you can select a custom domain. If you have added a custom domain in your System.io account, you can select that domain from here as well. Now if you haven't already added a custom domain inside your System.io account, and if you want to know how to do that, so you will find a link here, a video here in the I button, where I have already shown how to add a custom domain in your System.io account. Now I already have a custom domain, so I will select that one, and from here you can add a subdomain for your course. So I will select this one, and from here you can select a theme, whatever you want. I will select a red theme because I am building a course related to YouTube. And from here you can select a default font for your course, so I will keep it as it is for now. And from here you can select the name of the instructor, so I will add my name here. And from here you can add a logo, an image file you can upload directly from your computer. So as you can see, I have uploaded an image file for my logo, and from here you can upload an image for your course as well. And from here you can choose a funnel. Right now we don't have a funnel to choose, so I will show this to you later, how to create a funnel and how to add that funnel inside your course. So that I will show you later. So for now I will click on save. So our course is now ready to be built, and to add a new module, you're going to click on this add module button, and from here you can give the name to your module. So I will give it a name as introduction, and I will click save. Now inside this module you can add a number of lectures as you want. So to add a new lecture, I'm going to click on this add lecture, and from here you can give a name to your lecture. So I will give it as the YouTube Wealth because I'm going to give an introduction about YouTube and YouTube business. Now what I would recommend that whenever you are creating your first ever lesson or first ever lecture, so take as much time as you can so that you don't need to build the lessons again and again. You just simply copy your first lesson again and again, so that all your lessons look congruent and you don't have to spend much time on building other lessons layout. So from here you can select any of the templates if you want, and from here you can delay your lecture after the previous lecture for 1 day or 2 days or whatever you will select. It will be delayed for that many days. So I will keep it to 0, and from here I will select this template and I will click save from here. So I will directly go to the page builder. As you can see, this is my page builder. So I already have created a video. That video title is how to create a landing page in System.io. In that I already have shown how to use all these elements and how to build a page inside System.io. So I will not go into detail of that. Now I don't need this raw, so I will delete it from here. I don't need this text as well, so I will delete this one as well, and this one as well. As you can see, it is looking much cleaner now, and I will drag this title of my lesson all the way to the top, and I will drag this video to the top as well, and I will delete this very section from here. So now you can edit this. This is the text. So instead of lecture, I will keep it as lesson 1, and I will give this lesson a title, the YouTube Wealth. That's what I am going to talk about inside this video. Now to add a video, you have 3 different options. So first of all, you have to click on this video, and from here you have three different options to choose from. First is direct link, so you can direct link a video. You can simply just upload a video on YouTube as an unlisted file, and you can paste the link of that video here. Or second option is custom embed, so you can custom embed a video, or you can upload a file directly to system.io from here, from your computer. You can upload a video file directly. So for now I will select a direct link option. So as you can see, different options are given here. Autoplay, if you want to play the video automatically, you can turn this option on, or otherwise you can turn it off. And if you don't want to show the controls, so you can turn this option off. I'm not go into much detail on these options. You can play around these options. So now I'm gonna add a new button here below this video, so that my students can go to the next lesson immediately after clicking that button. So to add that button, I will first add a new row from here. So I will click on this row option, and then from here, as you can see, a button is given. So I will drag and drop this button option here below this video. Now before that, I'm gonna add some more text below this video. So I will drag and drop this text option below this video, and I will edit this. I will simply type welcome to my YouTube wealth course. As you can see, our text is added. Now this button, to configure this button, you're simply gonna click on this button, and from here you're gonna select this option, complete lecture, and move on to the next one. So whenever someone clicks on this button, they will directly go to the next lecture. Now from here you can select, you can change the width of the button. I will keep it as it is for now. You can change the increase or decrease the margins as well from here, and from here you can change this text. As you can see, click here. So instead of this, I will type next lesson, and I will increase the font size as well from here. And if you want to change the font, you can do that from here. And if you want to edit this subtext, you can do that from here. And now I don't need this subtext, so I will simply delete this. And from here you can add an icon. If you want to add the icon before the text, you're going to go to this option, and if you want to add that icon after the text, you're going to go to this option. So I will go to this option because before I want to add the image before icon before this text. So as you can see, our icon is added here. And if you want to change the background color of the button, you can do that from here. So I will select a red color from here because I am building a course related to YouTube. And you can change the text color also from here. So I will select black color, and then you can round the corners, as you can see from here. If you want to change the roundness of the corners, you can increase or decrease these values. So I will keep it to 6 on all four corners. And then if you want a shadow for your button, so you can do it from here. So I will select a mid shadow for this button, and from here you can select a border. So a solid border is already selected there, so I will select none because I don't need any border here for this button. So as you can see, my button is now ready. So this is my first lesson completely ready now. So to save changes, I will click here on save changes, and then from here I will go back. So this is my first lesson created. Now what I will do, I will make a number of copies of this first lesson though, so that I don't have to create all of my lessons again and again, and to make them congruent, I don't have to make that much effort. So I will just simply click on this duplicate lecture button. So as you can see, a copy will be created here. I will create one more copy here, and I will create a few more, so that a number of copies are now created of my first lesson. Now these lessons are just need to be edited. So to edit the second one, you're simply gonna click on this gear icon, so that you can change the name of that lesson as well. So I will give it a name as YouTube algorithm latest update 2022. So I'm gonna talk about YouTube algorithm update in this lesson. Then if you want to delay your lecture for 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, you can change that from here. So I will keep it as 0. Then you wanna click on save. So our second lesson's name is now given. Now to edit this, you're gonna click on this magic wand button, so that you will be redirected to the page editor. Now from here you can edit your second lesson or second lecture. So first of all, I will change the name of this lesson. So instead of this, I will change it to, I will give it a different title. I will give it as YouTube algorithm update 2022, and this will be my lesson 2. And from here again, I already have shown you how to upload the video or how to direct link a video, so that you can do yourself. And if you don't need this text, so right now I will delete this text because I don't need this. And if you want to change the configurations or the anything about the button, you can do that, but this will remain same for the second lesson for now. So I will save changes from here. So now as you can see, my second lesson is also added or created. And if you want to add some text, if you want to give a bullet list of whatever you have talked about this lesson in this lesson, so you can select this bullet list and you can add a number of points here, whatever you have talked about in your lesson. So I don't need it right now, so I will delete it from here. So now I will save changes and I will go back from here. Now every time you create a lesson, make sure to make this lesson as public from here, from this button. So make sure that you publish all of your lessons so that your students can see the lesson in your course. If you don't click on this publish button, no one can see any of the lessons. Let me show you for an example. So first of all, let's add a student from here. So I will give it a first name and last name quick, and I will give email address of my students, and I will select full access time and I will click save. So now I will check my email inbox. So as you can see, I've got a mail here. So I will click on this click here to login button. So as you can see, this course is looking empty here, no lecture is being shown to me. So I will go back from here and I will click on publish from here. So now I will be able to see all my lessons or all my lectures that I have published. So as you can see, the first lesson is being shown to me now in the dashboard. Now I will go back here and I will publish all the lectures from here, and I will click confirm so that my lectures will be published now. Now in my first module, I will just add these 2 videos. Now to create a new module, you are gonna click on this add module button, and from here you can give the name of your second module. So I will give it as generating YouTube topics, and I will click save. Now to add lectures in this module, you just simply click here and just simply drag and drop this lesson here. So this lesson will be added to your second module. I will drag and drop this second one and third one also, because I don't need any other lessons in this first module. Now I will edit these lessons in my second module. So first of all, I will change the name. So to do that, I will click on this gear icon, and from here I will change the name. So I will give it as ways to get viral YouTube video topics. Then I will click save from here, and to edit this I will click on this magic wand button. So first of all, I will change the heading of my lesson. So I will give it as ways to create viral YouTube video topics, and if you want to bold this, you can do that too. So as you can see, and you can add your video here, and I will simply delete this text from here. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get viral YouTube video topics using a tool, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that my students can use to do the research about YouTube topics. So what I will do, I will give one more button here so that my students can directly go to TubeBuddy from here, and that will be my affiliate link. So to do that, I will simply copy this button from here. I will make a duplicate of this. As you can see, a button is added here. Now I will edit this button. So I will click on this button, and from here I will select open URL option, and here I will give the affiliate link that I want to give, and I want to send them directly to TubeBuddy. They can sign up for absolutely free, and I will get a commission whenever they select a paid plan of TubeBuddy. Now I will edit this. You can change this to open in a new window, so that window will be open in a new window. Now from here you can change the width as well. I will keep it as it is for now, and you can increase or decrease the margins as well from here, margins. Now instead of this next lesson, I will edit this and I will change it to sign up for TubeBuddy here, and I will keep the font size and line height as it is, and I will change this icon as well. So instead of this I will change it to, let's say, this icon. So I will add this icon, and you can change the background color or font color as well. So now as you can see, our button is now ready. So whenever my student will click on this button, they will be redirected to TubeBuddy. That is my affiliate link. Then I will click save changes from here. Then I will go back from here. So I will not waste your time creating each and every module here and each and every lesson. Let me just simply show you. I already have created an outline for this, that what are the modules that I have to create and what are the lessons I will add. So as you can see, I already have created an outline. First module is introduction, and this module I will add 2 videos. So I already have added these 2 videos. Then my second module is generating YouTube video topics, and these 3 lessons I will give in this module. Then this is my third module. Also I have added all the resources that I will give in my videos. For example, in my third lesson I have given a resource TubeBuddy. I have given the affiliate link of TubeBuddy. Then here also in the third module I have given a lesson email marketing for YouTube, and I have given a source ActiveCampaign, which is an email marketing software. So I will add the affiliate link of that. And here I have talked about landing pages for YouTube subscribers. So I have given the affiliate link for system.io, which is a landing page builder. And here I have given the resource Fiverr, which is also will be my affiliate link. And here I have added 5th module, that is my bonuses, and in this module I have only added 1 lesson titled bonuses. So now our course is ready. So I will go back and I will create a funnel now for this course. So for that I will go to menu and to funnels. Now to create a new funnel, click on this create button and give it a name or whatever you want. So I will give it as YouTube course funnel. From here you can select a subdomain, a custom domain if you have added to your system.io account. So I will select this domain, and from here select sell because we want to sell a product, and from here select your currency. So I will keep it US dollars and I will click create. So as you can see in our funnel, 2 pages are already added there. One is an order form and second is the thank you page. So before this page we want to add a sales page also. To create a new step, you are going to click on this create step, and you can give this page whatever you want. So I will give it as YT sales page, and you can select a type from here. So I will select sales page. This will be my sales page, and I will click save, and I will drag this step all the way to the top. So this will be my first step in this funnel. Second step will be order form, and third step will be a thank you page. Now you have number of different templates to choose from. So I will select this one, and to edit this, first of all you can change the subdomain from here. So I will change it to YT sales page, whatever name you can give, whatever subdomain you want to give, you can give. And to edit this, you are going to click on this magic wand button. So now you are inside the page editor. As you can see, if you want to edit anything, you can just simply click and edit this. This is a text, so you can add your own text here. And if you want to add an element and add a button or form, you can simply drag and drop it from here. And if you don't want anything on this page, so simply you can delete. For example, I don't need this header, so I will delete this. You can add your video here. To add a video, you're simply gonna click on this video, and you have 3 different options here. As you can see, first is direct link option, second is custom embed, and third is upload a file. You can directly upload a file to system.io. I will keep it as it is to direct link, and you can paste the link of your video here. What you can do, you can upload your video on YouTube as an unlisted file, and you can paste the link of that video here. And from here you can change everything. You can change this button as well. I already have created a video. In that video I have shown you how to create a landing page and how to use the page builder and how to use all these elements. That video link you can find somewhere here in the I button or in the description below. You can change all these text if you want. this will be related to your course, whatever you are teaching about in your course. You can change these fonts according to that. And here you can briefly describe about your modules. For example, module 1, module 2, module 3, you can briefly describe here. Then you can add some testimonials here. These are all the videos testimonials. You can simply click on these videos and you can directly upload those videos as your testimonials. And from here you can change your price plans, whatever price plans you want to give. If you don't want to give, simply delete this, and you can change this button as well. So you can play around these options and change it according to your course, and then click save changes from here. Now I will go back from here and I will edit my second page. This is my second page, which is an order form. So I will select any of the templates. Let's select this one, and as you can see, in this order form, first of all you're gonna click you're gonna change this subdomain. So let's change it to YT order form. You can change it to any name. You can give it any name, whatever you want. Now from here, as you can see, an affiliate commission option is given. So if you click on this plus button, you can change the commissions. You can give the commissions to your affiliates. If you want that your affiliates promote your product or promote your course, you can give them a certain amount or certain percentages of commission. From here you can select that, and you can delay the payout from here, and you can select the number of days from here, and you can select the sales limit from here as well. Now from here, resources, you can select the resource that you want to give after your audience make a purchase. As you can see, it is written here, resources which the customer will have access after the purchase. So whenever your customer will purchase, what resource you can give access to them. So you can select that from here. So I will select a course because we want to give them a course after making the purchase, and from here you can select that course. So this was the course that we have created, YouTube Well, and from here you can select the access type. So I will give the full access to my course, and from here you can select a specific date on which you want to give the access, and from here you can select the expiry as well, and from here you can add the price plans also. And if you want to add the coupon, you can do it from here. As you can see, a fixed amount discount if you want to give, or a percentage discount if you want to give, you can select any one of them. I will not give any coupon here, and I will go to the editor of this page. So to edit this, simply you're gonna click on this magic wand button. Now if you want to preview your page anytime, you can click on this I button. So as you can see, our order form will look like this. There are three different forms: first name, email address, full name, email address, and the company name. And here all the payment details will be shown. And if you want to edit all these things, you're gonna go to this editor, and you can simply edit all these things. If you don't want to collect the company name, you can simply delete this from here, and here you can add all the price plans, and you can change the button configurations, all of these things as you want. I'm not gonna waste your time doing this. I will click save changes from here, and I will go back from here. And finally I'm gonna click on this thank you page to edit this. Now simply you're gonna select any of the templates. So I will select this first template, and you can change the subdomain from here as well if you want. And to edit this, you're gonna go to this edit button. Now to edit this, simply you can change all the fonts and all the buttons and this video as well. So I already have created a video about how to create a thank you page. If you haven't seen that video, you can find it on my channel, or you can find that video here in the I button, or you can find the link in the description, where I already have shown you in detail how to create a thank you page. The purpose of the thank you page is mainly that you can ask your students or audience to join your Facebook group or subscribe to your YouTube channel, so that you can build the relationship with your leads or your audience. So I already have created that video. You can see that in my channel. So I will click save changes from here, and I will go back from here. So now we have created our funnel. So now it is time to integrate this funnel in a course. So I will go back to my course from here. So this was the course that we have built. So I will click here, and I will edit settings from here. and I will go all the way down, and from here I will choose that funnel that I have created. So I will choose this funnel that we have recently created for this course, and from here I will select the funnel step, after which my students can go directly to the course and have access to the course. So I will select order form, because after making the purchase on my order form, they can directly get access to my course. Now I will click save changes. So as you can see, our course and the funnel is ready to be shared. This was the funnel. To share the link, you can simply copy from here. So that's all from this video. If you have got any value, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You haven't already signed up for system.io, you can go to the first link in the description and sign up for absolutely free. It has a completely free plan. Thank you and goodbye.